In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a shipping confirmation email in Klaviyo. Start by signing into your Klaviyo account and looking at the main navigation on the left side of the screen. From here, click Flows. Flows are automated sequences in Klaviyo, and they are the right place to build a shipping confirmation because you want the message to send automatically when an order status updates. Next, click Create Flow, and then choose Create from Scratch. Creating from scratch gives you full control over the trigger and the email content, which is important for an order-based message like this. Now you will choose what starts the flow, select metric, and then look for the event that matches your store setup. In many accounts, this is fulfilled order, and in some it may be labeled shipped. The key is to pick the metric that fires at the moment you want customers to receive the confirmation, usually when the order is fulfilled or marked as shipped in your e-commerce platform integration. Once selected, this metric becomes the trigger that kicks off the automation. With the trigger in place, you will add the email itself. From the Components panel, drag an email block into the flow so it connects after the trigger. This ensures the email sends immediately after the fulfillment or shipment event occurs, unless you later add delays or additional conditions. After you add the email, click into it and choose Configure Content. Then select Template. Using a template speeds up the process and helps you include the typical elements customers expect in a shipping confirmation, like shipment details and tracking information, depending on what your integration passes into Klaviyo. In the template library, select the shipping confirmation design. This gives you a ready-made layout that is already suited for shipment messaging. Once you have selected it, click Save and Exit to return to the flow canvas. Finally, make sure your flow is active. If it is currently set to draft, click Draft and switch it to Live. This step is critical because a flow in draft will not send to customers. Once it is live, future fulfilled or shipped events will trigger the email automatically. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.